Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make an invisible folder in Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To create an invisible folder in Windows 11, you can follow these steps. Firstly, right click on your desktop or in the desired location where you want to create the invisible folder. For example, your preferred drive. From the context menu, choose New, and then Folder. This will create a new folder with a default name like New Folder. Right-click on the newly created folder and choose to click Rename from the context menu. Delete the existing name of the folder by pressing the backspace or delete until it becomes empty. Press and hold the Alt key while typing 255 using the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard. Make sure numlock is on. Release the Alt key. This will create an invisible character as the folder name. Now, right-click on the invisible folder and choose to click Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, go to Customize and click on the Change Icon button. Choose a blank or transparent icon from the list of available icons. By following these steps, you can create an invisible folder in Windows 11. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.